Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another review here at Z.M.S.C Model Works. As always, I'm Zach, and today's review is of the C1 models and their Callaway Aerowagen for the C7 Corvette. So this kit is meant to be used with Revell's C7 or the Revell Stingray. This just happens to be the Foust Designs version. In the box, it's fairly easy and simple. It's just two pieces. Okay, you have first the sort of Aerowagen or the backing, and then we also have the spoiler here. And the spoiler is fairly simple. It just goes straight onto, it uses these two kind of locating notches here, and simply fits in like so. Let's see if I can actually get it to stay on here. So as you can see, it's a nice little splitter that sits off and fits the notches and grooves in top here. So, two fairly simple pieces. It does not include, or at least I didn't receive, a clear acetate window, but that should be pretty easy to fashion from a clear sheet of acetate. So this is the pre-painted C7 body that you get. In the Foust Design one, obviously the Revell, the standard one, won't have this painted. It's a pretty interesting two-tone. Perhaps I'll carry this on when I decide to build it, but what's meant to happen is you're to actually cut out the trunk section. So as you can see, it sort of fits on like that, and you just cut out the trunk section from the original kit and then plop this guy in. The best way to probably do this would be to, once you've cut out the trunk piece here, is to put locating tabs on all the flat surfaces, so that once this guy goes in, it stays nice and flush and it stays well supported from the underside. I'm not sure if the kit thickness here will match the resin part, but again, some finicky, shimming and placement of locating tabs should help in that endeavor. So pretty interesting kit to go along with my kind of wagon theme for the year of 2021. And as always, when we start doing this and building it up, I'll probably do a midway sort of naked review where everything's put on and in place and you can actually see what it looks like when it's done. So thanks again for watching, guys. And remember to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell to see when I come out with new videos. Leave a comment if you'd like to know more, if you have a suggestion for another build. But that's it for this, and we'll see you next time.